Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be testing out a brow product, hence why my brows are not filled in and look a little bit crazy right now. We're going to be testing out this brow fork-like applicator type thing. I don't know, it's supposed to give a microbladed effect to your brows, and I did get this product off Wish, as I do most weird products I review on my channel, so yeah. Also, ignore her forehead, okay? I know it's hard to ignore all 20 inches of my forehead, but please try to ignore it, okay? I used to wear my hair half up and half down all the time, but I haven't, so I tried it and I'm not used to it, and I realized that my forehead looks so big. But we're gonna try to ignore it. I showed up late, but my forehead, she was on time. So this says Tattoo Sense of Super Durable. Tattoo Sense of Super Durable. Obviously I bought this off Wish because it makes no sense. 24 hours waterproof. Okay. Liquid eyebrow pen. I guess we're just gonna test this out, you guys. I don't really have too much hope for it just because I like my brows to be very bold, very filled in and intense. But this just gives your eyebrows a microbladed effect. So I think it's gonna be too natural for me, but we'll find out. Oh, jeez, I got the ooh, what is that? But it kind of just looks like black eyeliner, and that may be actually too intense for my brows, right? Like that looks like a black marker, okay? And my roots are growing in, and I no longer have black hair like I used to, so I don't know. We're just gonna stop talking and just jump right in and test this and see if it works. Okay, I'm gonna start right here at the bottom and just draw a hair stroke up. And my arms. Gosh, my hands are naturally just shaky, so if you notice that, just know they're always like that. If I look up really close, I can see the 3 lines. I don't know, guys. Let's just keep going. Oh, okay, I think I messed that up. Let me try right here like this and go down. I'm doing something wrong. Let me just go like up and down. Go like that, maybe? I mean, no. What the heck? And I don't know what to do for my tail. Places where I don't have my brow hair that I need to fill in, I don't know what to do for those spots. Like I fill in a little bit down here under my brow, but like, how am I supposed to do that? Let me try. This is gonna be awful, but let me try. I made it worse. Like that. This is what it looks like after me trying for a couple minutes on my left eyebrow. I do like how dark it does make my brows, because I do like my brows nice and dark, as we all know. But I don't know. It kind of looks patchy and in spots. Some spots are darker than others, you know what I mean? Some spots I can't fill in and look ridiculous. And this right here, if you look up close, hopefully you guys can see, it just doesn't look right up under here. I mean, that could also be my fault for not applying it correctly, but like, I'm doing the best I can, okay? I'm doing the best I can. By the way, it came in this little box. I don't know. I mean, you can find one on Wish. Just look up eyebrow pen and you'll find it somewhere, okay, guys? Okay. Let me try my other eyebrow now. I like that. I like that right there. I like using this in the front of my brows because it does give those hair-like strokes. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can definitely see it in real life. See, that's not too bad. I like how this works in the front of my brows, I will say that. When I'm trying to fill in areas that don't have any brow hairs, that just looks kind of unnatural and weird and markery-ish. But in the front of my brows, it does give those nice hair-like strokes. Did you fart on me, bro? One of my animals farted. I swear, it smells like animal turd. Alright, so this brow I'm doing a lot better than I am when I did over here. I think I'm just kind of learning through trial and error. Oh man, did it run out? Now it's kind of getting dry. Probably because I bought it off Wish, you know. I'm just gonna shake it up. Now that looks nice and coated. Hopefully this doesn't look crazy now. Oh, that's a lot darker. Or a lot more pigmented. Okay, this patch right here I need to fix, so I'm just gonna... Oh man, I went too low over here. I need to fix that. Oh Lord have mercy on her soul. I'm having a hard time. Okay guys, so... no. Okay, so this is what it looks like on this brow. Some pros and definitely some cons about this product. I think that for using this in the front of your brows to get those hair-like strokes, I think this is a really nice product. I do like it for that because I do like to take a very thin eyebrow brush like this and just kind of swoop up like that to do hair-like strokes. With this, I wouldn't have to do that. I just do boop, done. Hair-like strokes right there. So I do like that about this product. However, I don't like how I can't fill in the parts of my brow that don't have hair on them without it looking weird and not bright. I also don't like how I can't really get in there on my tail and make it sharp like I like my tail to be, because the pen is so wide. Let me fix these brows, you guys, and I'll be right back. So she fixed her brows up a little bit. I mean, they're still not perfect because I had to try to fix the product that was already there and fill in spots that weren't filled in and whatever. So also, I'm not very good at doing my brows to begin with. I mean, if my brows aren't perfectly waxed and a nice pretty even shape on both sides, then Kyla doesn't know how to do her brows, okay? I love this eyebrow, but this eyebrow just gives me problems. Mental problems. It makes me go crazy. Final thoughts on this product. It is a very cheap product. I got this for I think $1 and $1 shipping, so $2 altogether. $2 bills, like, that's not much money for it, you know, and it is good for the front of your brows. Again, like I said, those hair strokes. I just don't think it's good for filling in your brows, like full out filling in your brows like crazy dark like mine are right now. I don't think it's good for that, but I do think it's good for using hair strokes in your brow. But if you're trying to fill in your brows, no, I wouldn't recommend it for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, my alarm just went off, so it cut off what I was saying. Thanks. I gotta go pick up my sister from school. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will hopefully see you all in my next video. I don't know, it's like a microbladed, what?